Alright, back in the shop. The trailing arms and lateral links are here. Sway bar end links. Car's already up and Jason's already starting on taking the old crusty stuff out of the back. And as you can see, we don't have any mounts on some of the lateral links for sway bars because we never ran them. But we do have sway bars now, so we need to put them on. So this was just set up for gravel. Jason ran it at the Dirtfish Championship. So it's got rally tires on it, and the suspension's still tight, but now we need to convert it to tarmac. So we got all new brakes and rotors and pads. We got the 4-pot calipers, sway bars. We got the fresh wheels, some lug nuts. These are gonna look good on there. We'll post a picture up with these on later. So we'll get on and I'll update you guys as we get it done. Okay, so the last clip you saw was the trailing arms and lateral links laying on the table. We did get most of them on. We didn't film much of it because honestly it went really quickly. The Heim joints fit awesome. Unfortunately, we did get 2 driver's side trailing arms, which is going to put us in a bind for the race. This one here is not on. It needs to go like this with this bracket at the bottom, but unfortunately the bend is wrong. So this is the driver's side. We need another passenger side. Should look like that. But we did get everything else on. As you can see, they look amazing. The sway bar end links are just sitting there. I'm missing the mounting brackets for that sway bar, so I need to get them. But we're about to put the new rotors, pads, and calipers on. But these pieces are incredible. The Heims are amazing. This will droop almost to the floor since they have no resistance to them, which means that coilovers can do their job. So really good quality parts. It does kind of stink that we got one of the wrong sizes, but Will at TSS FAB is correcting that. I guess they got sent to another customer, so they're not going to make it in by the race, which means we will have to run with the passenger side stock lateral link because I have an alignment appointment tomorrow since these are all adjustable. But such is life. We will get it aligned again after that. Be ready for the next one. Today's project is all the pads and rotors and take those rally wheels off and put on our tarmac setup with the fresh lugs. So I will try to get some of that. Jason's gonna come over and do some work on it, and once I finish working my regular job, I will be out here to finish it up. We also need to put Jason's name over Blake's this time because he is co-driving, and get rid of the SCCA Rallycross sticker up here from when Jason took it to the Dirtfish Nationals. So a couple things to tidy up. I do need to throw another AEM wideband sensor in. Ours got fried in Ohio at the race when the cat failed. So we got another one of those in. We need to put that back in so we can monitor at the next race. And then we will look at replacing this motor this winter. It's finally on its way out. The rings are letting go. It's starting to smoke pretty bad on startup, but over 200,000 miles. We've been racing it and beating on it for years now, so I cannot complain whatsoever. The 2-liter EJ turbo motors are very good. Not sure what our next plan is. We have some sponsorships in the works, which we will talk about later, but some good things for this winter.